My flower, how and why did you wither so quickly? Sadly, there haven't been much answers to your passing. For this, I even greater wish that I hadn't lost you last year. Was it my fault that I didn't find a way to save you? Was this a punishment of a past wrongdoing? How is it possible for my happiness to be pickpocketed so easily? My love, you were the reason why I kept on with life. My will is fading with every day passing by my loss of you. How can I move on from you? What can my future have for me now?
Still, my love, you still cover yourself in the shade of my tombstone. You have a blessed long life waiting for you to meet it. Your life is no longer tied to mine. You cannot continue to mourn what's already a year gone. I will forever ask for your forgiveness. I gave you my life vows, and they were broken too soon. If I knew how to stop the tragic day from happening, I would still be among the living. I would have done everything in my mortal power to prolong my life. Sometimes, fate and destiny have other plans, and they steered my course. There is not a spell to reverse this fate. I am sorry, my love. I am forevermore regretful of this result. I need to ask you greatly to find your happiness once again. Now that I am gone, you have the chance to conceive a new future, for your chances of pertaining it are nigh. Many a maiden walked the Lord's made grounds. One of them should arrive to your heart, which I took to my grave. You will be revived, but you must open yourself to a new beginning. I beg of you to do this for me. Help me heal my spirit by healing yours. Please, you've got to life. Live it. Let me go. I must go now. The witching hour is nearing its end. Good night, and farewell.